In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Shopify managed domain from one Shopify store to another. This is an incredibly useful skill to have, whether you own both stores or simply need to change which store manages your custom domain. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring that it's smooth and straightforward. First, you'll need to log in to your current Shopify store. This is the store that currently manages the domain you want to move. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the lower left-hand corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to Domains. This is where you'll manage everything related to your online addresses. Now that you're in the Domains section, your next task is to locate the specific domain you want to transfer. This will be listed under the section labeled Shopify Managed Domains. Click on the domain name you've decided to move. This action will take you to a new page where you can access detailed settings for that specific domain. Once you're in the domain settings, look for the option that says Transfer to another Shopify store. It's an essential button for making this process happen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to confirm a few details. Specifically, ensure that the store owner's email is correct. This step is crucial because the email will receive a transfer link. Make sure it's either your email or the email of the individual who should accept the transfer. After confirming this, hit Send Transfer Link. At this point, a little patience is required. You'll soon receive an email containing the all-important transfer link. Open this email when it arrives and click on the link provided. You'll then be prompted to log into the destination Shopify store. This is the store to which you'd like to move your domain. It's important to have owner or staff permissions for this store, so double-check that everything is in order before proceeding. Once logged into the destination store, the next step is to formally accept the transfer. Accepting the transfer signals Shopify to initiate the moving process. It will begin transferring your domain from the current store to the new one as soon as you accept. Keep in mind, the domain transfer can take up to 24 hours to complete. During this time, there's typically nothing further you need to do but wait. However, it's advisable to monitor your email for any notifications, just in case any issues arise. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Shopify managed domain to another store. Always remember to double-check all details at each step to ensure a smooth transition. Your online presence is a critical part of your business, and managing your domains effectively ensures you maintain control and flexibility over your digital assets. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.